everybody? Welcome back to another video. This one's super special. It was championship weekend. I ended up clinching the series about 2 weeks early. So I'm just jumping in here, quick little voiceover intro. The video is kind of sporadic, so I wasn't really talking much in the clips. I was kind of just working along. It was a busy weekend and it was super special. I had to stay locked in. So yeah, enjoy the video, guys. I'll jump in again probably halfway through to fill in some gaps. I don't think it's supposed to look like that. Definitely not supposed to look like that.
Down. Down. Down.
All right, what's going on, everybody? Here we are, one of the final weekends on the tour here. Gonna try to film a lot of it since it's a very special weekend for me. These last two pointed weekends, I could potentially clinch the series title early. So I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride for this weekend. I've been slacking on the filming side of things. Anyways, we just finished up practice here Friday night, only practice here today. Chuck's feeling pretty decent. It's a little lazy on the start for racing, but I'm gonna try to play around with the tune a little bit, get that. I'm just ready to get going. I'm ready to keep signing some autographs. I'm getting me super bumped up. And this week is going to be wild, man. I'm sitting on top of the points leader for a reason. And I'm going to show y'all why here this afternoon. It's the brand new truck, brand new chassis. That is, it definitely helped out better than I expected. I kind of went into this season blind. I've always kind of driven some wacky chassis combinations so far in my career. So to go to a normal chassis, so to speak, was definitely something I was kind of nervous about. That first weekend, man, I knew we were locked into this new piece, and we've been just taking it every single weekend and running as hard as I can.
And then you ended up walking away with that series championship. What does that experience, how does that experience help you this time around in terms of your mindset?
It definitely kept me a lot calmer for sure. Last season, I was super hungry for that first win. That's all I thought about was getting that first series championship. So when I came into this season, I was a little bit more calm set, but this weekend is going to be special. And I got an opportunity to clinch it early, which will be super sick. Go back to back, that would be awesome. But we're going to see how it goes here this afternoon.
It would be pretty sick to keep quite the weight off of your shoulder knocked out pretty early. But will MJ Samario keep that from happening? We'll have to find out. But for now, let's make some noise.
Well, we got one. We swept the first half, and then I got super greedy in freestyle. Tried to force it into a reverse save. Didn't save it. Crashed it. Yeah, see what I can do tomorrow and try to get it fixed up, and probably crash again.
congratulations one more time to our series points and champion John Zimmer Jr. Terminal Velocity. That's gonna be nice. What do you got to say to these Greenville fans one last time?
Greenville, thanks for having us. We had an amazing time at Monster Jam. We always have such a fun time, and we can tell you guys were electric. It's incredible being part of this moment.
See you there, July 4th weekend, Monster Jam World Finals 25. That was a heck of a Monster Jam. See y'all next time.
Everybody's getting it. God damn. That boy did it again.
John Zimmer Jr., officially the back-to-back champ. All right, that's got to feel good, right?
Absolutely, it does, man. Like I said in front of all the fans, it was a long time coming. I didn't want to make it seem like last year was an accident. Back to back, man. 2 to make it true. We got it done this weekend.
You've got a lot of people behind you that have supported you all of last season, all of this season. Any shout outs you want to give to some of those supporters?
Yeah, the biggest thing is my team, man. Without my support of my team, supporting me back here out on the track and back home, wouldn't be out here living my dream. Shout out to the whole Senate Motorsports crew, Don, Carol Ann, my pops, Chucky, my crew guy, John, everybody, man. Without them, I wouldn't be here. We got another one.
How fun was that freestyle at the end when you knew you were champion?
It was a good run. Not what I wanted. I was trying way too hard and couldn't get lined up for stuff, but nonetheless, it was sick. Did a backflip and then ripped the ramp out of the ground, so that got to look cool for something. And yeah, it was just a good ride.
I know it's super early. We're many months away, but any plans, any goals for Monster Jam World Finals this year?
Well, my goals for World Finals, I don't really know, because last year I set the bar for myself pretty high. Top 8 in freestyle finish, and then a final round racing appearance. So I'm just gonna go there, have fun, be glad that I'm there, super thankful for that, and I'm gonna try to pull some crazy stuff and let this truck behind me ride.
Awesome, man. Well, we're gonna let you celebrate. Congratulations one more time, the back-to-back champion, John Zimmer Jr., Terminal Velocity.